Hello everyone, moving on now for this hairstyle. First tie your hairs into half, then tie a ponytail below, then after doing it leave the ends and then tie it and roll it over the bun. And now place the pins and it's perfectly done. Comb the hairs from the front to make it look neat and it's done. Moving on, now for this hairstyle, first tie your hair into half, then roll it once, then tie the hair from below, then after doing it, tie it from the middle, then roll the puff and place the clip, tie up the leftover from the end and then place it inside it and tighten it, and it's beautifully done. Moving on, for this hairstyle, first make a side half ponytail, then again repeat it by taking the sides of the hair and tie it on the opposite side. Repeat the same thing but again in the opposite direction. Tighten it neatly and now comb the leftovers, roll them over and then tie it from the end. Keep rolling it and then insert it inside and tighten it. Make sure to tighten it properly so that the hair won't look messy, and now place the pins and it's done. Moving on, now for this hairstyle, you need a fancy clip. First, tie the hairs in half, roll it once, then tie the hair from below. Make sure it looks neat, then again tie it from the middle and roll it once and then pull it upwards, tie it again as shown and then roll the ends and insert it within and tighten it. Do it neatly and now place the pins and it's done. Moving on, now first make a ponytail, then again tie it from the middle, roll it once, then make it look neat. Then after that, roll it from the end, do the same thing as you did previously, then roll it and make it look perfect by putting up the pins by the side, and it's done. You can take different colors as you wish. Now for this hairstyle, first make a ponytail, then tie the end, then after doing it, crisscross the hairs and then roll it over and place the clip. After doing it, make it look neat, pull out some strands to make it look fluffy and then place the clip and it's done. Thank you for watching.